This is Joel at Moondrop Entertainment, and today I'm going to tell you about some of the formative assessments that we've created. I'm going to talk about the formative assessments for a third grade art lesson plan called From Sketch to Page, How Do Artists Prepare to Make Art? In this lesson plan, students watch a video about how Edgar Degas used preparatory sketches, and then students make their own preparatory sketches based on image prompts. There's a set of about 10 formative assessments that you can assign along with this lesson plan in any order. And there are a set of canvases. And although they vary depending on which lesson plan you're looking at, in general, you're going to get a mix of discussion starters, exit slips, extension activities, misconception checks, and some ideas for how you might modify the lesson depending on the feedback you're getting from students. Let's take a look. This canvas gives you some discussion starters that ask students to think about the importance of preparation and what they might do to prepare to make art. These exit slips help students cement their understanding of the video they just watched. And the second canvas in each of these pairs gives you some sample answers, things you might look for in students' responses. This canvas asks students to continue to engage with the video by being Degas' art coach, giving him some advice. And this canvas asks students to reflect on their own personal process for making art. This canvas gives an extension activity where students go out and make their own sketches of an athlete in action. They can then develop their sketch into a final product. Or alternatively, they can work with a partner and leave an audio journal, using a really cool feature of Drawp that we call a voice sticker. This canvas asks students to develop a different one of their sketches in a different way, because we believe that students learn a lot by trying new approaches to creative problems. Finally, we have a misconception check that addresses some common misconceptions, the idea that making sketches is a waste of time, or that there's no difference between a final draft and a sketch. We ask students to reflect on these ideas. And again, all of the formative assessments have some kind of misconception check that addresses common misconceptions in the subject. And finally, we have a canvas with some ideas for how you might adapt the lesson plan, questions you might ask students one-to-one, or if they're working in partners, in small groups, or as a whole class. Please check out the link in the bottom of the video to play with the formative assessments yourself. We'd love to hear from you and get some feedback. Thank you from all of us at Moondrop, and have a great day.